It's got like this adorable like gold detailing. All the zippers are like super smooth, so it's easy. I really like that you can like Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't watched one of my videos before, my name's Mari. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash sort of first impression of Miss FONG diaper bags. So let's get started. I'm gonna be open here. I've already opened them up and looked at them and taken everything out and stuff. So this will just be like my first impression, like what I really think about them and everything like that. I'm going to start with the mini. So this is what they first come in. You can order them all on Amazon, which is awesome because then you can, if you have Prime, you can get like the 2-day shipping. So I literally got these in 2 days once I ordered them. It comes in like this nice bag that you can keep them in if you want to store them, keep them safe. So this is the mini diaper bag, and I got the blush diaper bags, which is the prettiest color. If you look at it, it's like this nice like peachy pastel pink, blush pink, which is my absolute favorite. Lacey's kitchen in the back there is pink as well. So first impression when I first opened them is that I love them. They are like so cute. Like it's got like this adorable like gold detailing. All the zippers are like super smooth, so it's easy. I really like that you can like sit it down like this and like use one hand to open and close it, because that is so important when you're like juggling a baby and a toddler and you're like just trying to get a stupid diaper bag open. So much easier to do one-handed. So it's got the backpack straps here, which is super nice. Also, a nice thing about this can be like a toddler bag too. So Lacey can like carry this around and take it with her and stuff, and we can put her stuff in it. So it's got these in the back, and then inside, when you open it up, is a strap. So it's like a shoulder strap, so you can carry it as shoulder straps as well. From the sides here, it just clips on. And then it's also got like a normal like handbag strap too. But also you probably could just put that on the stroller as well. When we open it up, it's got tons of pockets. This is like one of my favorite features about them, is that they've got like so many pockets, because as a mom you've got like so many things that you need to like stick in places. So there's this one. It's sort of hard to see like get it inside view, but like so many pockets. There's this one, and it's got like for wipes, so you can just open it up and then just like take wipes out as you need to. Then there's one here, and then there's 2 insulated ones on the sides. Actually, just one insulated one on the mini. And the insulated one is right there. It's nice and big too, so I think it would fit like any type of bottle, which I found with diaper bags it's really hard if they have insulated pockets, because they're always like super tiny. So that's annoying. But this one is awesome. It's like gigantic. Then it's got like another bag spot here and a pocket here. It's got a thing to hold your keys, because I lose my keys so badly in my bags, and then you're like searching for them and there's children screaming, and yeah, this is helpful. So now the outside, it's got 2 pockets here. So it's got the zipper one, and then it's got the inside pocket, same on this side as well. And then it's also got this pocket right here, so you can throw your phone in there, and then this one as well. So this is like awesome, because it can be just like if you need to like run out to the store or something and you don't want to take like your giant diaper bag, you just take this one. It's got enough space for wipes, diapers, everything. Or as I said, it can be like a toddler bag. I think I'm going to use it as a camera bag as well. It's just to put all my camera stuff in. Really, it's like awesome. Now the leather part of it is like faux leather, so it's fake leather, but it's like awesome because I think you could be able to wipe it off really easily. And I can't really get like the texture of it, but it's like a nice texture. So this is the normal size diaper bag. It also comes in the nice sort of like storage bag. So when you open it up, I was actually really impressed with the size of the diaper bag because there's a lot that are like super small, and then you're like, I can't fit all my stuff for my baby and my toddler in here. Like, what am I supposed to do? Bring another bag with me? It's sweet because it also sits and stands up just like the other one does. So here's it. Just like an all-around view. Yeah, clumsy as ever. There you go. It's got the same features as the mini, so I won't go into as much detail, but I'll just sort of go over everything again. It's got the nice, easy zipper, all the gold detailing. The inside is nice and insulated. The nice thing about the big one is it comes with a change pad, and it's made of the same material as like the outside stuff is. Outside stuff? Anyways. It's a nice size. It's not too big. I found some are like gigantic. Good enough that you can change a bum on it and you're good. So, and that's also got a clasp as well, which is nice. Now, the inside here, there is a shoulder strap, and it's sort of like a nylon type material. So that's the shoulder strap. And it also comes with stroller clasp, so you can put it on each side and then clasp it to the stroller, which is awesome. And then just normal like handbag, like carry it around. So really this is like a convertible diaper bag that you can like change it up, so you can do like the backpack style, which I think will be awesome. I love backpack style diaper bags because when you're trying to carry a toddler, Lacey, who's like trying to run around, and then you're trying to carry the baby, it's just like the worst. Now onto all the pockets. So there's the insulated bottle pocket inside. Here's sort of like an inside view if you can see. And then there's like zippered pocket here, and it goes across the whole thing. And there's two mesh pockets here, another mesh pocket here, one for wipes, then another two bottle insulated pockets, and then also the key holder as well. So overall there's like 10,000 pockets, which is amazing. This also have the two pockets here, and then the two pockets here, and then the two pockets here. I'm like super impressed with these bags. I think that I'm going to be using them for quite a while. Overall, I would say 10 out of 10 for diaper bags. I'm super excited to actually use them and see how they go. But first impression, they are awesome. So I just thought I'd do like a size comparison too, so you can just see the difference in size. So this is the mini, and then this is just the normal one. Sort of hard to tell, but it's like half the size of it, I would say. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Miss Fong diaper bags with me, and I hope that you go check them out. I'm going to link the bags down below in the description, both the mini and the regular, through Amazon. And also go check, I'll also put their Instagram as well down below. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to check them out in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos.